The stores are full of amazing Halloween ribbon, and when it goes on clearance, it is extremely affordable. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle. I have collected this over the past few years, and I have been promising myself that I was going to sit down and make myself some Halloween themed bookmarks. A couple of days ago, I actually made the time to do it, and I love these. So the ribbon has wire in the edge that is super easy to pull out. I made my first bookmark with two different ribbons. For the second one, I cut quilting fabric as backing. You just zigzag the two rectangles together, then stitch on some lace around the edges, and that is literally all it takes. Just a few minutes, and you can whip out a whole batch of these. They're amazing for your own spooky reads, but also to tuck in with Halloween cards or Happy Mail. And I've got a few people in my own life who are getting these as Christmas presents because they read scary books all year long. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with more videos soon.